Thank you, Sir David. It's a pleasure to follow the honourable member from Macclesfield and to speak in this exceptionally important debate secured by my honourable friend, the member for Swansea East. As we have seen far too often on many occasions in the last few years, product safety can be the difference between life and death. And according to the consumer magazine Which, faulty goods can cause as many as 3,120 fires a year. That's 60 fires a week, or one fire every 3 hours. But since the 1974 Health and Safety at Work Act, I think Britain has led the world in workplace safety and consumer safety, and high standards have ensured that we are able to live and work safely without risk of death or injury in our daily lives. And British safety has also been a global success story, with our standards adopted across the Middle East, Asia and the Commonwealth. So it's therefore right that we welcome now the new introduction of the Office for Product Safety and Standards as the next step in ensuring that product safety in the UK remains world-class and that is placed right at the heart of the economy, and that we avoid any sense of a race to the bottom on regulatory standards. But I think to do this effectively, I think the government needs to take, as well as all the actions mentioned by my honourable friends, a couple of extra actions as well. And I think, first of all, the Office for Product Safety and Standards must be properly financed, resourced and staffed, and I welcome the £12 million that the Minister has already mentioned. But I think the motto at the heart of the office must be simply that safety cannot be done on the cheap, and the government must provide the resources to allow it to attract the talent that it needs to be effective in maintaining and reinforcing the high-quality regulation which exists for consumers. And I think the points that have been raised by all my honourable friends are absolutely crucial in dealing with these problems with white goods and electrical safety. But I also think having a new office gives us an opportunity to expand its remit and to include workplace safety items as well. Now, a local company of mine, a company called Arco, which is based in Hull, supply health and safety equipment and services, and they tell me they have seen a worrying levels of non-compliance amongst a wider range of workplace safety items, including things like high-vis jackets and non-steel toe-cap boots. Now, they've carried out some tests on some of these products in a laboratory in Hull, and they've revealed that up to 50% of boots containing the steel midsole protection on the consumer market are actually made from brittle or mild steel, which is subject to corrosion. But many of these products have passed the CE branding procedure at the test stage, but they simply do not actually protect employers or consumers to an adequate standard. Now, we all know that protective equipment is often the last line of defence for consumers and workers against serious injury or fatality. So I think that the Office for Product Safety Standards should expand its remit to reflect this urgency. And I think the government should also act to give new legislative footing to product and workplace safety that is fit to meet the evolving challenges of product safety and reflects the concerns of the industry and gives it real teeth to the office to make it really effective. Product safety and standards is one area that all of us, regardless of party, can get behind. We all want to see consumers protected and safety promoted, and I hope that the new Office of Product Safety and Standards can be a resounding success, and I believe it will be if the government follows all of the recommendations mentioned in this debate.